If you are glued to a screen or to a desk, like many of us are, participate in this short yoga video wherein we will do a little bit of stretching to counter all the fixation and the tightening of our hips, our shoulders, our neck, etc. So you can just do this from your chair. Make sure you sit comfortable, and then we start with some wrist stretches. So grab your right wrist, start circling it one way and the other, and do it to the other wrist as well. Grab your right hand, push your hand palm forwards, give your wrist a nice little stretch here. Do this to the other hand as well. Stretch it out, don't overdo it, but give it a nice stretch. And shake out your wrists. Now let's shrug the shoulders. Pull your shoulders all the way up to your ears, roll them backwards and down. All the way up and down. All the way up and down. And now let's reverse. So pull them backwards and up, and then forwards and down. Up and down. Last time, up and down. All right, shake it all out, and then we do a little neck stretch. So put your right hand on top of your head, pull slightly to the right, so you can feel a nice little stretch here on the left side of your neck, and do the other side. Carefully make a couple of neck circles to one side, and then reverse the other way. All right, so from here, take your hands up and then twist to your right. So we make a seated twist. On an inhale, pull your crown towards the ceiling, and on an exhale, get a bit further into that twist. Take your hands up, now twist to the other side. On the inhale, crown towards the ceiling. On the exhale, get a bit further into that twist. Look over your left shoulder backwards. All right, let's go back to the middle. And from here, we will do some stretching for our back. So interlace your fingers, push them forwards. On an inhale, take your hands up, bend backwards, and on exhale, hinge forward. So hunch your back here, look down to your fingers. Do this a couple times, bend backwards, and then hunch your back, look down. One more time, and hunch your back. All right, little back stretch there. Then we're going towards a seated four. So if you can, place your ankle on top of your left knee. So your right ankle on top of your left knee. You can see my beautiful socks that I'm wearing. Usually I would wear shoes, so you can also do that. That's totally fine. You can stay right here. Open up your hip slightly like this. Or if you want to, you can take a little bend forwards, moving towards your upper leg, which is the right leg this time. Stay here, one more breath. Why not? We'll make it a bit longer. Try to open up that hip. Open up the hip flexors. And then we come back up. Let's do the other foot. So place your left foot on top of your right knee. You can either stay here, or if you want to, grab your knee and your foot and bend forwards. Now opening up your left hip. While you're doing this, make sure that you keep your left foot flexed. And don't overdo it. Be careful with this knee. Take one more deep breath in and long breath out. All right, come back up. Let your knee go. And then we'll do the last little bit of this practice, which is just looking somewhere in the distance. And then we take a 4-second breath in. We'll have a pause of 4 seconds on the top, and then we have a long exhalation of 8 seconds out. All right, so exhale first. Then inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. And a long exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let the breath come back to your natural breathing. This is the end of this little desk stretch. Simple, short, no mat. And you've stretched many of the body parts that you tighten up during a day of sitting at a desk. While you're at it, take a walk, go for it, have some outside air if possible. And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the mat soon. Cheers. Back to it. See you guys.